So this is the signals form component, and I love the simplicity of it. For example, here we have the legacy form. Previously, we used to use the form group to create a form, and then we would have form controls where we would define the default values and then the validators that we really need in there. You can see that this in itself is not as clear, especially for beginners. So it was a hard concept to grasp, like what is this here and why do we have like a validator not required here sometimes, and sometimes an array of different things. When it comes to a signal form, you essentially first generate a simple signal using a type. For example, here the login data is a type which says we have a username, we have an email, both of them are string. Then you create a signal for it. Then you create a signal form using that signal, which only makes a lot of sense. Now the beauty of this is that it gives us something called a schema path. From this schema path, we can access the properties. For example, we have schema path.username, email, and then we can have validators on top of it. Here we are saying the required validator is applied on the username. If there's an error, we would have the message that says required. Similarly, on the email, we have the same message, and then we also have the email validator applied with this particular message when the email error exists. And this is amazing.